This might blow your mind. The most watched video in YouTube history isn't Mr. Beast, a gaming channel, or a global music star. It's a kid's song called Baby Shark. The song has billions of views, and the channel behind it earns more than $2 million every single month from simple kids' songs. And Baby Shark is not the only one. There is also Cocomelon, Super Simple Songs, Little Baby Bum, Choo Choo TV, and more. All of these channels have one thing in common. They make simple animated songs for kids, and they earn millions doing it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's get started. First, we need a song idea. Every great kid's song starts with something catchy and playful. To make this easy, we will use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT to get started. In the prompt box, add this prompt: I'm starting a cartoon channel for kids. Please give me 20 video ideas related to nursery rhymes like ABC songs and similar topics. Now click Generate. ChatGPT will start generating ideas for your videos. After that, ask ChatGPT to write a rhyme on a specific topic. Choose one from the given list. I'm going with an animal rhyme. Just copy it and paste it into the prompt box. Now click Generate. In just a few seconds, the full song rhyme will be ready. If the song ChatGPT made isn't quite right, just ask it to make a better one. Now that the lyrics are ready, it's time to create the song. For this, we'll use Suno AI. Go to Suno AI, then click the Create option. Next, add the song you generated earlier using ChatGPT. Now, click Create, and in just a few seconds, you'll get 3 AI-generated rhyming songs. Let's listen to them.
Woo! Ah, yeah! It's a big...
Go ahead and download the best one. Back to ChatGPT. Copy and paste this prompt. Now give me detailed prompts for every scene to make animated clips for my video. Also, write animation prompts for every visual. Click Generate, and ChatGPT will give you detailed video prompts for each part. The video prompts are ready. It's time to use them to generate your videos. We'll use Flow AI. Go to Flow AI, you can find the link in the description box. Just click Create with Flow. Next, click to New Project. Now, in the prompt box, add the video prompt you generated earlier using ChatGPT. Start by adding the first part. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Now let's play it. Following the same steps, generate all your videos. While creating them, you'll get auto-generated music. Don't worry, we'll edit that later in the video editor. Once all your videos are generated, it's time to combine them and create the final video. For this, we'll use CapCut. Go to CapCut and import all your videos and audio clips. Add the audio you generated earlier using Suno AI to the timeline. Now add your video clips to the timeline, matching them with the audio.
A's for ant going tap, tap, tap. Tiny little toes in a tippy tap rap. B's for bear.
To match the clips with the audio, go to the speed section and increase or decrease the speed until everything lines up perfectly.
A's for ant going tap, tap, tap. Tiny little toes in a tippy tap rap.
If you want to mute the sound of any clip generated using Flow AI, simply select the clip, go to the audio section, and mute the sound. And here's the final video. Just export it in 4K, and you're done.
Sing the ABCs to the